Hi students, welcome back to Archida's Edu World. Here we are going to study trigonometry for class 10 SCRT syllabus mathematics. Yes, shall we start the session? Yes, here we can study the trigonometry in easy way. Yes, trigonometry. Tri, that means tree. Trigonometry, that means it is based on the triangle. Triangle having three sides and three vertices, right? Do you know the types of triangles? Here, see the types of triangles: equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, right angled triangle. See, equilateral triangle means equi means equal, lateral means sides. Equilateral, the triangle having the equal sides as well as equal angles. Isosceles triangle having two equal sides and equal angles. Here right angled triangle. Right angled triangle, that means one angle is 90 in this triangle. Shall we say the Pythagoras theorem? In this theorem states that b square plus altitude square, right? From this we can find out b square is equal to hypotenuse square minus altitude square. See, next step is altitude square. Square equal to hypotenuse square minus b square. From this we can find out the value of hypotenuse is equal to root of base square plus altitude square, and also base is equal to as root of hypotenuse square minus altitude square, and altitude square is equal to root of hypotenuse square minus base square. All clear? From here we can find out each side using this Pythagoras theorem. I hope you understand this Pythagoras theorem, right? Yes, from this we can find out the angle as well as sides of the right angled triangle. Remember, it is only applicable in right angled triangle. Right angled triangle means one angle will be 90 degree and the side opposite to that 90 degree will be hypotenuse. Clear? Yes. And the trigonometry functions. The trigonometry functions are sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. The reciprocal of sin theta will be equal to 1 by sin theta. Reciprocal of sin theta is equal to 1 by sin theta, that will be cosec theta. Reciprocal of cos theta will be equal to 1 by cos theta, that is secant theta. Reciprocal of tan theta will be equal to 1 by tan theta, that is cot theta. All clear? Yes. In this class, we only have to study the sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. No need to bother about its reciprocals. Okay, clear? Yes. Find out the sin theta, cos theta and tan theta by using some simple methods. Okay, sin theta, right angled triangle over here, 90 degree. This is the theta. Now this is the theta. This is the opposite side of this angle theta. Opposite side. This is the hypotenuse because this side is opposite to the angle 90 degree. This is the adjacent side. Clear? Yes. From this, we can find out sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. This is the theta. Sine of the angle theta will be equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Next, cos theta will be equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Tan theta will be equal to sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta, we know the formula of sin theta, that is opposite side. Opposite means op. I am writing this op and hypotenuse hype. Cos theta will be equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. See, here this is the numerator and this is the denominator. We have to take reciprocals as here. Opposite side by hypotenuse. We could not solve while writing this. So we have to take reciprocal of the denominator side because here having 4 terms in division, right? So we have to just change this this division by opposite side by hypotenuse multiplication into next we have to take the reciprocal. Here we can multiply this term by taking the reciprocal of this term. Hypotenuse divided by adjacent. Okay. Now, hypotenuse will cancel each other. Here opposite side by adjacent side. So we can conclude that the tan theta will be equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Clear? Yes. From these equations, we can easily find out the values of sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. In case of right angled triangle only, if the theta is equal to 30 degree, the sin 30 equal to, just memorize one value for trigonometry functions to find out the other trigonometry functions. Okay, only memorize the sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. Here we can just apply this value over here and it is very helpful to find out the other values of the trigonometry functions. Okay, here sin 30 is equal to, this is opposite side and this is the hypotenuse. Okay, opposite side of this 30 degree is 1 and hypotenuse is 2. So sin 1 by 2. Using the Pythagoras theorem, we can find out the value for AB. I don't know the side of AB, so we can easily find out this. See, this is the base of the right angular triangle. Okay, AB square is equal to BC square minus AC square. BC means 2 square minus 1 square. AB is equal to root of 2 square minus 1 square will get 4 minus 1, that is root 3. So AB is equal to root 3. We can easily find out the cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. This is adjacent side of this 30 degree and this is the hypotenuse. Adjacent side is root 3 by 2. 2 is the hypotenuse of it. And 30 is equal to sin 30 degree by cos 30 degree. Okay. Sin 30 is 1 by 2 and cos 30 is root 3 by 2. It will be 1 by 2 into 2 by root 3. 2 and 2 cancel. We'll get the answer as 1 by root 3. The answer of tan 30 is 1 by root 3. See, interior angles, sum of the interior angle of a triangle will be supplementary. Here one angle is 90 degree and here is 30 degree. 180 minus 90 degree plus 30 will get the other side, other angle of this triangle, that is 180 minus 120, that is equal to 60 degree. So this angle is 60 degree. From this triangle we also find out, we can find out the other trigonometric functions, that are sin 60, that is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, that is root 3 by 2. Cos 60 is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Tan 60 is equal to, tan 60 means opposite side by adjacent side, that is root 3 by 1, or we can write sin 60 by cos 60, that is root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2, that is equal to root 3 by 2 into 2 by 1. 2 and 2 cancel. We will get the same answer as root 3 by 1. Okay. Next angle is, next angle theta equal to 0 degree and theta equal to 90 degree. If theta equal to 0 degree, cos 0 1, cos 90 here 0, sin 0 degree, sin 0 0, sin 90 1. Next theta equal to, next tan 0 is equal to sin theta by cos theta, 0 by 1, that is equal to 0. Tan 90 is equal to sin 90 by cos 90. So sin 90 is 1, cos 90 is 0. As a fraction, 0 denominator will not be equal to 0 because it is undefined. So we don't know the value of 1 by 0, that is undefined. Okay. Next, in case of 45 degree, see the triangle 90 degree, this is the 45. We know that if it is the 90 degree, this will be the 45 degree. 180 minus 9 plus 45 will get the answer as 45 degree. So here see, these two sides are 1. What will be this side? What about this side? This side will be BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square, that is equal to 1 square plus 1 square. BC is equal to root of 1 square plus 1 square. We'll get the answer as root 2. So hypotenuse is root 2. Cos 45 degree will be adjacent. This I considered this angle. 1 by adjacent side by hypotenuse, 1 by root 2. Sin 45 will be equal to Sine 45, that is opposite side by hypotenuse 1 by root 2. Tan 45 degree equal to sine 45 divided by cos 45, or opposite adjacent, that is 1 by 1, that equal to 1. Okay. We conclude the value of the trigonometric functions in a table as here. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Tan 30 will be sin 30 by cos 30, that is 1 by root 3. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Tan is sin by cos will be 1. Sin 60 is the same value of cos 30. Sin, the value of 60 will be equal to the cos 60. Cos 30. Sin 60 will equal to cos 30, that is root 3 by 2. Here cos sin 30 will be equal to cos 60 1 by 2. Here sin 60 divided by cos 60, that is 3. Now sin 90 will be 1, cos will be 0. 1 by 0 is non-defined. Here sin 180 means 0, cos 180 means minus 1, and this will be 0. Tan 180 means 0. All clear? Yes. Students, I hope you understood this. We can learn the remaining portion of this chapter on next session. If you are having any doubt till this portion, please comment me. Please subscribe my channel and share it and like my video. Thank you.